I'm so excited. I'm going to Toys R Us. I'm going to find the new ORB Slimi Café. I wonder if they have it here. I heard they do, so I'm really excited. Oh, I think I see it. Oh, wow. Yes, that's it. Oh my goodness, look at it all. Oh, it's so colorful. They have squishies. They have all different kind of squishies here and slimy toppings. Oh wow, look at this blue one. Ooh, look at all the colors. There's so many kinds to choose from. I don't know which ones to get. I kind of want all of them. Oh wow, look at that orange. Okay, I'm definitely gonna get that one. This one's called Jammies. Ooh, it's like wiggly and jiggly. I wonder what it feels like. Okay, I'm definitely gonna get all of these. I can't wait to try them. I'm gonna make the coolest creation ever. Comes with like a little starter pack of slime too. That's cool. Oh, the squishies are so soft and squishy and slow rising. Ooh, this is like fluffy slime? Fluffy Whips it's called. Oh wow, the more that you play with it, it gets like super fluffy. Oh, that's so cool. And let's see what the swirlies feels like. Oh, the swirly is like almost like a putty. Oh, that is so cool. You guys are gonna love this. It feels amazing. Okay, let's try this last one. This is the Jammies. Ooh, it's like so like slimy and wiggly. Oh, wow. That's so cool. Okay, I'm gonna do some fluffy whips on top. I'm gonna fluff it and make it like, almost like whipped cream or icing, I think. Yeah. Yeah, that looks cool, I like that. Okay, I think I'm ready for the big squeeze. Ah, that was so satisfying.